السلام عليكم متتبعي قناة الهداف العربي. شاهدوا معنا ردة فعل غوارديولا وماذا قال عن الجمهور الجزائري بعدما أن سأله صحفي جزائري عن غضب الجزائريين أو الجمهور الجزائري بعدم مشاركة رياض محرز أساسيا في الدوري الإنجليزي الممتاز. شاهدوا معنا الفيديو.
I am Anjalian, journalist magazine about Riyad Mahrez. He stayed on the bench today. In Algeria, people are often angry against you when Mahrez doesn't play. It is difficult to manage or it is difficult decision to put him in the bench.
I'm so sorry for the Algerian people. It's not my intention to make you feel sad. But it will happen. We have another players, for example, for Argentina, which will be sad for me because he didn't play. There is Sergio Gomez that is from